game, that it was unfortunate it was a loss. This feels more like it.
Yeah, this feels very good. Home debut, win, 3 points, very good game from the team, all of the guys, very good game. And now there's no mixed feelings, there are good feelings only.
They really are. Since you've come into the squad, you said you've been welcomed very well, you feel a part of the family, and there is that understanding between you and your new teammates.
Yeah, everybody, not just Arthur and Marcelo, everybody welcomed me the best way, the perfect way. I want to thank them all for that as well. And now I have to adapt as much as I can, as fast as I can, so I can get the best of me.
You had a shot on target today, so you're trying to go for that goal, but most importantly also bringing through those important passes and assisting.
Yeah, very good. I'm always trying to create opportunities, whether for me, whether for my teammates, and yeah, very happy.
Fantastic tonight, well done.
Thank you so much.
All right, Nuno Santos, there we go. Just saying that he's been welcomed with open arms at Mamelodi Sundowns. Feels very much a part of the team and looking forward to more great performances. Coach, you did say it. This is how champions rise.
Yeah, exactly. You can have a bad day, but you cannot have two. Have a very difficult pitch to play football, unfortunately. And for a team that wants to play good football, is very hard. But the boys knew that they should not relate with that. They should relate with the capacity that they have. And they started very strong. It was important to start strong, start to score, get the confidence. Don't allow doubts. Because sometimes when you cannot score, you create doubts on yourself. And after the result we had. I just want again to tell all Masandawana family to support the team. This is a team with a lot of new players that just arrived, some of them. The team is growing, the team is gonna grow. Obviously sometimes setbacks don't help, but there's a lot to do and a lot to achieve. And looking forward with enthusiasm, involving everybody is the only way to achieve results. And that's how Sundowns has built the power and the fortress that has been in the last years. And that's how it's going to continue to be.
Yeah, you spoke about a lot of emphasis that needs to be placed in the attacking third, but you've also got those reinforcements. It was so good to see Shalulile as well coming in towards the end of the game. You've got those attackers, the new additions as well, that are starting to gel into the team.
Yeah, of course, the ones that played today already helped. Anyway, still Nuno just arrived, and Miguel. And then we have the boys that went for under 20, Kutluano, Mabena, that are also players in the front. We lacked players, and we should remember that Temba is not with us. Thank God, giving good steps in terms of recovery. Morena coming, Zuko coming, Grant also. So we needed those players to give stability, experience, consistency, and variability, because it's important that we have the possibility to reinforce the team from the bench. And well, looking forward for the future. Looking forward.
Yeah, it can only get better.
Yeah, it should, because people work very serious. The players work with big commitment. We are very, very humble, but very serious on the approach we have every day. And the answers will be given week after week. Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Awesome. There we go. The fans were calling for improved performance. Listen, this is what you wanted and you got it. Maximum points, top of the table. Very difficult outing for your side, coach. In the opening exchanges, you did well to keep Sundowns at bay and try to create opportunities. But once they started scoring, it just got really difficult.
Yeah, we felt that against a team with Sundowns quality this evening here. If we give away cheap goals, it's going to be hard to come back, and I felt we conceded a bit too cheaply. But having said that, it was a quality Sundowns outfit here this evening. They wanted it more, you could see. They were more enthusiastic on the pitch there. They covered the distances that eventually resulted in 3 points for them. So it's back for us, back to the drawing board. We need to regroup, resettle, see where we went wrong this evening here, and come back stronger in our next league encounter.
Yeah, you know, a loss is one thing, but when you look at the number of goals that went against you, I know that you're not very happy about that because for the last 3 games, for example, you look at just how you were able to, you know, keep that clean sheet, and that's something you wanted to do tonight, but unfortunately 4 that went past your goalkeeper.
Exactly. It's unusual for Richards Bay to concede this many goals in a game. Normally we're very stubborn defensively. We don't give away goals easily, and whatever the case may be today, we'll have to look at how we conceded the goals and where we went wrong, and it's up to us to come up with the proper solutions going forward.
Better performance in your next game. Thank you, coach.
Thank you, ma'am.
Well, back to the drawing board for the Natal Rich boys, looking, of course, just to fix the